Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to disable Gemini in Chrome. Alright, let's begin. First, if you see the Gemini icon in Chrome, right-click it and select Unpin to remove it. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner, open Settings, and select AI Innovations. Go through the available AI features and toggle them off. These options may vary depending on your Chrome version, so disable any Gemini or AI-related features you see. After that, open System from the left menu and select On-Device AI. Turn off the available AI option to stop Gemini from running directly through Chrome. Finally, type chrome://flags into the address bar and enter. Click on Search and type AI mode. Find the AI mode Omnibox entry point option and change it to Disabled. Restart Chrome, if required, to apply the changes. That's it for this video. Thanks.